Good morning, everybody. We are in pre market hours on Monday, January 6th, 2025, and we're definitely making some extra bacon today. So, before I start, disclaimer this is not investment advice, and I'm certainly not an investment advisor in any regards. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that's calling himself Bacon, for goodness sake, documenting his option trades for entertainment purposes, and he just hopes you enjoy watching it for the fun of it. But certainly don't take the advice or follow the trades of a man named Bacon, please. I am not your investment advisor in any regard. Thank you. Okay, so we are watching hydrogen stocks today because the world is shifting to an actual green energy source, and they are starting to move away from the pseudo green energy movement that led to very underwhelming and very expensive energy production means like solar panels and wind turbines. Solar panels, I'm telling you, they don't even pay themselves off for like 20 years. And if you don't believe me, go buy some solar panels and put them on your roof and you will see for yourself. I promise you. They are very expensive. And when they break, the components are expensive. It is just not worth it. They make a mess. They definitely produce unrecyclable waste. And the one that really produces unrecyclable waste and messes up the environment is the wind turbines. They can't throw them out. They just end up sitting there in massive amounts of waste. They kill birds. The whales are crashing into the ones in the ocean. It's pseudo green energy. It's very expensive and it's not the way. However, hydrogen energy produces water. I very much so think that we are moving in that direction. More so, Elon Musk said by 2026 they want to transition all the Teslas to power the batteries using hydrogen fuel cells. This market, as you can see, is very undervalued at the moment, especially if we're going to be having a big change. And especially we having the old green movement leaders being ushered out unanimously to the point that they're even just stepping down. Yes, I think the world, and if it's not happening, buy the rumor, and you could sell the news later. But there's definitely the rumor right now that hydrogen is going to be the next big thing. Now, I want to show you plug power. Huge day yesterday. We're on the 4-hour chart, so we got 2 ticks per day, per trading day. Up tremendously. And one of the things I want to show you, one of my favorite indicators, go to the day and you can see it better, is a bottom wick. So you see how this candle, it ended way up high and ended with a bottom wick going down. That's a bullish sign right there. I'll show you a better example of one in Ballard, another hydrogen stock. Big bottom wicks, and this one's way up. Pre-market, if I go to the, let's check our 4-hour, if I could click. There we go. A bunch of bottom wicks like this. Another one super cheap. I have a lot of faith in this one as well. Nicola, the one that everyone was like, oh, I don't know, I should stay away from that one. It's too cheap. Oh man, that's always what that's how you know it's the one you're supposed to go for. No, I don't mean it. But when you get that feeling, we've all been there where it's like, oh, I don't know, and then it's like kaboom, up a ton. The red wicks, the red candles with the bottom wick too. It's a bullish sign, dude. Especially at a moment like this where the entire sector's popping off, big bottom wick. Yeah, man. So all good. But the one we're looking at today is the big kahuna. Lind, call sign LIN. We are at the bottom of the chart I made documenting a trading pattern that's going back, almost to 2018. So it has been bouncing off of this line, beep, beep, beep. Granted, sometimes it falls through, and we have a bottom resistance that, oh, if it just so happened to go that low, that's where we'll buy. But right now, with all of this bull run action happening, we are sitting right at a resistance line where it has bounced many a times. And I really think that this is the move, and we can see a tremendous move to the upside. right? That it's not going to swing like the little guys because it's more of a giant boat, but when it gets going, it's not going to want to stop. So I think that we're going to make a big old option play on this sucker today. And I know we've already made a tremendous amount of money on these trades today. And we are eternally grateful, so thankful that we were able to have this blessing. And thank you. I will tune in with you guys in a few hours and we'll see what's going on. All right, everybody.